So this will be the part of our living area. Here they have provided the open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious. Once you enter, you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing floor. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Vanshika's Nature Harmony, which is located in Uttarahalli, Bangalore, a project developed by Vanshika Life Spaces. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK actual flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and the information of the project and about the land parcel is just on the opposite side of the marketing office where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So Vanshika's Nature Harmony is constructed on total 4.9 acres of land parcel, consisting of total 6 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 10 floors, having 3 BHK residencies in different variants. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project has 60 plus luxurious Bali inspired amenities. So let me show you with the help of this miniature. So this is 21,000 square feet of clubhouse including all the indoor amenities with swimming pool on the rooftop. This is the amphitheater, the garden area, kids play area and many more amenities in this project. Now coming to the location part, so this project is connected to Talagattapuram main road in Uttarahalli, South Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Talagattapuram main road. So this bridge which you can check out is the Nice Ring Road, which is very close to the project. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project, so you can connect to D-Mart in 5 minutes of the project. Silk Institute metro station is also 5 minutes away from the project, and Manipal Hospital is 15 minutes of drive from the location of the project. Now let's have a look at your 3 BHK actual flat of 1625 square feet super built up area. So let me show you one thing over here. Each unit in this project will be elevated from your lobby area like this. So here, your each step will tell you the lab, nasht and lab as per the Vastu. Now let's move further towards your actual flat. So this is the main entrance with the lobby area for your privacy. And here this is the 8-foot door with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you enter towards this beautiful and spacious 3 BHK, you can check out the living and dining area. So this will be the part of your living area where you can set your sofa set, TV unit, and so here you can set your dining table exactly in front of your kitchen area. So let me show you the kitchen area first. Here they have provided the open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious, and they will provide you the granite platforms with a sink. And the side is the utility area, again with the sink over here. And with the anti-skid tiles as well. Here comes the balcony which is attached to your dining area with anti-skid tiles and iron railing. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So here you can check out your master bedroom is on the other side, another 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. So here we go, this is the bedroom number 1. Once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the space over here. Isn't it spacious? And this bedroom is connected to the balcony. Again with anti-skid tiles and iron railing as well, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2, which is exactly in front of this bedroom. So this is the entrance, and this bedroom is much more spacious. You can check out the space as well with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And and this bedroom is connected to the washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here you can check out both the bedrooms have unique point, that is one bedroom is connected to the washroom and another bedroom is connected to the balcony. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me mention all the features that Housey provides you. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with the sample flat and the actual flat videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these features under Housey.com only. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now let's move further. Now this side is your common washroom between two bedrooms itself with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now walking through your living and dining area, on the opposite side is the master bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring, the wooden finishing tiles. Here is the wardrobe space, the separate wardrobe space with attached washroom with intricate tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now this bedroom is a combination of your bedroom number 1 and 2, which is connected to the balcony as well, with intricate tiles and iron railing. So this was all about your 3 BHK actual flat in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Uttarahalli, Bangalore. Have you checked another project in this location? Again, do let me know in the comment section. And all the information and details of this project is provided in the I button. You do not have to go here and there in search of the details. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.